See, if you look at that, then it's like you're not looking at the lens.
Yeah.
So I need to look at the lens. Okay.
That's fine.
So the railings are falling down and blackberry bushes all over the place. And with Tony. What is up, everybody? Welcome back. This is actually part 3 of the prison dairy farm that's been abandoned here. Back again with Tony. So if you haven't seen part 1 or part 2, I'll leave a link in the description below of the video, or at the end of the video I'll leave the tag cards for you to check out. But anyway, Tony told me that he checked this out earlier and he's like, dude, there's way more to this prison dairy farm than what we checked out the first 2 times. So follow us and let's get some other good shots. I think what makes this better is all the curtains are like halfway drawn or destroyed. So, as far as we know, this kind of building is where all the prisoners came down and actually slept. So these would be their rooms where they, slept for the night. And then every morning or whatever, they get up and work on the dairy farm. So pretty interesting. Obviously not much left in these rooms. Yeah, some of these windows with the vines coming through and the curtains still here just makes for a very epic kind of video, so someone shoot that with a BB gun? Or actual bullet?
Hit it with something.
It almost looks like a perfect bullet hole. I love the blue walls. Yeah. Oh, the porters. So we're like the guys that cleaned. If you shake down the porter room, leave the something authorized alone.
Leave the above authorized.
Oh, so like all these things.
Oh, so those things are okay.
These are okay. Okay.
It's okay to have this must be the porter room, who knows?
Interesting. Yeah. It's cool to see stuff like that left behind.
Oh yeah. There's right here, I saw this when I was in here.
Oh, dude. Immediately notify correctional staff member the location extent of the fire. So,
Pretty crazy.
in case you thought we were kidding about this being a prison dairy farm, correctional staff, prison staff. Like one of the old wardens or something? This is.
They used to do training in here for shooting.
Oh, like the target practice.
Yeah, action target right here.
Oh.
So you can see some little holes on it and stuff.
Yeah. That's funny.
Obviously, we're in a shower.
Oh yeah, this is the shower room for at least some of the prior prisoners.
Oh wait. What's that for lighting effect?
Nice. It looks like an alien aircraft is coming through.
There's like a shower or something back in there. I'm watching.
If someone actually popped out, I would freak the crap out. Something tells me that's not gonna happen.
There's even paper towels left in there. Look.
What? No way.
Seriously, fully stocked.
Fully.
I didn't dry my hands here. Oh well.
And it's more than one. Like.
They just left them. Tell you what, this place is definitely a little creepier at night.
Oh, I bet. Yeah.
No joke.
Yeah. I would have to agree. Oh yeah, so this is like where all the inmate telephones where they could call friends,
Yeah.
family,
So
little individual telephone.
little fun things. These are on the ground.
Yeah. The glass looks so like crazy, like foggy, and then you can kind of see the light shining through. That's amazing.
See anybody over there? So here's what I'll do. Go like this. Here's my switch. So there's this right here.
Oh wow. Oh, so yeah, so this is control room. ABC out. I think, like opening up all their doors for all the guys to get out.
I think so.
Kind of what it seems like.
Fire alarm control panel.
Yeah.
There's a heater there.
Oh yeah. A dorm, B dorm, C dorm. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Bunch of controls.
That just seems a little weird to build a place.
Yeah, that is
So
weird.
anyway.
All brick. That's weird. That's like one room. That's all. I don't understand why it's all brick.
Yeah, I got a couple pictures of this because I was just like,
What is this?
interesting way to do it.
Yeah. Do you think this whole wall got destroyed and they just refilled it in?
No, this maybe was more like an original wall. Like maybe it was an older building, I think.
Oh, and they maybe converted the rest. Or
Yeah.
something.
Because I think there's still remaining brick from when it was old.
Oh, right.
Keep doing.
Okay, I definitely heard that. Some sort of creature on the roof. I don't know what's going on. I think it's some sort of animal on the roof.
At the hole in the door, I saw something like fly by.
What? Like some,
And maybe it was a car going by. I don't know. That was just totally weird. Like I looked over, and right when I heard that sound, it looked like something fell over next to the door, or like somebody walked by or something.
what?
That's freaking weird.
That's creepy. This reminded me of like the, in high school where they have like the pegs where you try to climb up the wall.
Oh yeah.
That's kind of remind me. Whoa, check this out. It's like Vine Central going on over here. And copper thieves or something. Maybe. This is one of the crazy Vine rooms.
One of them.
Because there's another one.
This is nothing compared to the other one.
Dude, this is awesome. I mean, it's like this is really like we're in Jumanji, like for real. Can we just walk outside here?
No, there's a jungle.
So this is where there's a ton of freaking vines.
And anyway, so yeah, this is like 100 times more vines in this room than the other one.
Yeah, this is like just totally covered. Just creeping in through the walls.
It's just, I've never seen anything really like this, except I went to the ghost town of Bordeaux in southern Washington, and all those buildings were covered with vines, but that was in forest. We are not in forest.
No, this is like
This is just buildings.
You got a shadow thing or whatever for the tools.
Oh,
You hang the tools on
yeah.
things.
Yeah, so basically, the workers here that weren't inmates, obviously, they put all the tools here on this it's called a shadow board.
I think actually that's for the inmates so that they know if something's missing and being turned into a shank.
Well, that, but the guards or the people in charge of the inmates, they made sure that all the tools got put back
Everything got accounted for.
on this board.
That's cool.
And if one thing was missing, it was not good.
Oh no, they're gonna shake everybody down.
Safety bulletin, Department of Corrections.
Hand, fingers, thumbs.
At first,
Fingers.
At first I was like, why is there two hands? And I was like, oh wait, I guess you have two hands.
Hand,
But couldn't they just say like hands? Like, why hand? Like,
I don't know, maybe there's like some song that goes with it.
hand, fingers and thumbs. Like,
There's like a safety video that accompanies this poster.
that's what it would be. Oh man.
Here, someone left their glove.
Oh.
Or the shadow wall.
Oh yeah, here's more. 3-inch broom, 4-inch broom.
Bullfoot.
I've never heard of that.
I don't know what that is.
Other tools.
Edger. Oh, I thought it was like the one with the 10-year-old.
Okay, that looks like an alien.
Where?
Out the window. Kind of. Whoa. Put my head through like a little face.
So you guy with the gun, is that what that is?
Yeah, and then some other
Bang!
guy dying or something.
Váyase bien las manos.
This does not want us to come in.
Apparently not.
Here we go. Yeah, these look like they were like the huge boilers. Do you know what, like, would that convert?
I just
Something?
feel like, the radiators in the rooms, like steam heat.
Oh, like hot water
Yeah,
heaters, basically. Okay.
yeah, like steam radiators. The old ones that rattle and make noises.
Oh, right.
Ones that go like bang, 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 bang.
The old ones.
Make creepy noises at night.
Yeah.
What was that? Just a radiator.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap up the video here. This has just been an amazing experience. I never thought there'd be so much more to this place. I said that in the second one, I think, but yeah, thanks to Tony here. He helped basically find this place in the beginning, and then he helped find more of this later. So go follow him on Instagram. What's your tagline?
That's just, I think Tony Vanelli Jr. or something like that.
Tony Vanelli Jr. Anyway,
He'll put the link in there.
I'll make sure I put the link in for his Instagram. Go follow him. He does basically stuff like I do, urban exploring around.
Urban exploring, do some drifting,
Oh yeah,
cars, that kind of stuff.
that's true. If you like drifting and stuff, yeah, go follow him on over there. But thanks you guys. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed part 3. Like I said, I'll leave the links down to the parts 1 and 2 of the whole trilogy of this whole prison dairy farm. So thanks guys, and as always, live, explore, and travel.